Hello folks, this is Yalen Cross, and this is a $600 milestone video for the Hair Massacre. This is me losing my beard. I get to keep my goatee and mustache. Covers me getting my beard shaved and me shaving off everything else down to the goatee and mustache. Following this segment of the video, the hair shaving, I'm going to be talking about some updates on the last video for the Hair Massacre series, as well as what I'm going to start, a little bit of what I'm going to start doing next. So, catch you after you watch me lose all my hair. So that's it. There's no more. This is obviously what I look like now after about a week and about a half after I got my last of my stuff shaved off. So I'll probably be keeping it to a beard. I'm going to grow this out a bit more. But that's done. I have one more video to do for my Hair Massacre video, so it's going to be a very specific thank you video to those who donated and those who helped me out. As I feel that needs to be a separate video, not just something I throw in at the end or part of another one. After this, I'm actually going to be starting, I think, gaming videos. I want to do game guides for the various games I play, as well as maybe some gameplay videos. I'm not sure the specifics on that. I'm trying to figure that out for myself. At the moment, I'm trying to commit to one video a week. So, today is Monday, and Monday is going to be my schedule. So this one's going to go up today. I'm going to do my thank you video next Monday, and I'm going to do a kind of intro to the goals of my channel, an introduction to me, my channel, and what I want to do with it the Monday afterwards. And then after that, I'm actually going to start producing, hopefully, better content. I'm still learning Movie Maker. I'm learning all that stuff, if you can't tell from the kind of very limited scope of my current videos. So that's my goal. That's what I want to do with channel and everything like that. So thank you once again for watching. I appreciate the support from those who are supporting me. I noticed I had on my previous one, I checked actually previously, like over 500 people watching it. A lot of people from places like Thailand and the Philippines. I don't know why, but cool. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be trying to do with YouTube. Trying to expand beyond just Twitch. That's my goal at this point. I'm really gonna try to do a little bit more in that regard. But I'm just rambling at this point. So again, thank you for watching this video. Thank you if you watched the other videos. Thank you for supporting me in the Hair Massacre project that we did. I'm going to obviously have links still down below until YouTube changes the format of all the different supporters for the Hair Massacre, be it the different various companies, various people, various organizations. I'm going to keep those in the descriptions below for every video because I feel that's important. But again, thank you very much, and hopefully you check out my last video, and hopefully you continue checking back this channel every week. Have yourselves a good day.